Welcome back. It's time for business. Now, ever thought about Kenya Revenue Agency or even Kenya Revenue Service? The TAXMAN is in the process of rebranding in an attempt to improve its brand perception. And it's torn between replacing the authority with either an agency or even service. The authority is now soliciting ideas from the public to help it adapt the new name. However, the public is more concerned about service rather than a name change. Our reporter Allan Aoko talked to Kenyans about the planned name change.
The Kenya Revenue Authority has been planning to change its brand name and corporate colors in a bid to endear itself to the public. The authority, that was formed in '95, has come under sharp public scrutiny for using aggressive methods to raise and meet its revenue targets every year. Of late, the authority has been scouring the social media sites to nab Kenyans posting flashy lifestyle photos who are not filing their taxes. Through its social media platforms, KRA is asking Kenyans to choose a suitable name to replace the authority in a bid to improve its service delivery to taxpayers. The taxman says the term authority has a connotation of command, and commanding is not the real role of KRA. But many Kenyans are of the opinion that the change must not just be about nomenclature.
On the matter of a change of name of the KRA to KRS, that is Kenya Revenue Service, I don't think it will bring a lot of meaning to Kenyans if there is not going to be a lot of changes in the way they do things.
KRA is currently sealing tax gaps in a push to hit a 1.8 trillion shillings target, with efforts also geared towards a tax base expansion, which focuses on bringing on board citizens and businesses previously not paying taxes into the tax net. Some Kenyans say these targets have made the taxman overly aggressive and overzealous.
Kwanza the word authority inaogopesha. Watu kama sisi huko KRA huko Times Tower tunaogopa. Sababu ukisikia authority tunaona na ukienda ushikwe.
Last month, KRA announced it had collected 154.4 billion shillings in the month of October against a target of 142.2 billion. Taxpayers, however, feel they need to be more involved in such activities.
Tungependa wakuje huku mtaani watuelezee hiyo tax inalipwa aje. Unajua mimi najua sababu niko na elimu kidogo, lakini watu wengi hatujui kabisa huko KRA nini wanafanya.
Maybe to a small extent they'll maybe inspire Kenyans more, and they'll look at KRA as a service institute through the collection of taxes and other things.
The name change journey began 6 months ago when the taxman looking to do an entire public perception overhaul through a change in corporate identity and image by June next year.
Many Kenyans are of the opinion that just changing the name and corporate colors for the entity that is well known for collecting revenue in the country might not be enough. They're asking for more relatable relations with the entity, saying that they need the authority to come down and talk to them about the products that they offer. Allan Aoko, Prime Edition.